If you're a founder building with Claude, prompting is not enough anymore. You need to explain your product. You need to make your site look good. You need to test whether the idea is good or not. You need to learn from your customers and you need to find traffic. So I'm going to take one single startup idea and I will be using 5 free Claude skills to move it to a real business. And I think you're going to love the second one. Let's get started. Let's first of all understand what Claude skills actually are. So Claude skills are a reusable workflow that you give to your Claude. So instead of typing the same prompt again and again, a skill gives Claude a repeatable way to do one job well. And in this video's example, I will be using a single startup idea throughout, which is basically a note-taking app, but not for humans, but for AI. And humans are just acting as a human in the loop. Let's go to the first skill. Let's get started with the biggest problem everyone has, which is the marketing side. So this is the marketing skill for AI agents, which is built by Corey Hens. And what I can do is I can go on GitHub and here you can see all of the things which it provides, and it's a very big list. So you can see it gives you the conversion optimization, content and copy, SEO and discovery, paid and distribution, measurement and testing. There's a lot of things going on in this repo. So what you can do is, for example, we already have our website ready here. I asked Claude to create a website for me. It's not good, I know that, but we will be fixing it. So I want to work on the copy first. You can either write the copy from scratch or you can also edit the copy. So we will go to our Claude and I can paste this here and I can say, I want copy editing skill from this repo, and make sure that you are in your project. You can also put it globally, but I would suggest that you put it in some sort of project, and I will hit enter. Now what Claude will do is it will go to the GitHub and then find this copy editing skill and then add it to my project, which is Mimo here. So as you can see, this skill is now downloaded. So what we will do is I will run this prompt and I will be adding my skill here. So whenever you want to use a skill, you have to use this slash command and then add the skill name. So in our case, it is copy editing. If after installation, you're not finding your skill, you can close Claude or start a new session and then you will find your skill. So here I am simply telling it that I am building this. This is the rough positioning and I want these clear action items, because I know these are the problems. If you don't know the problem, you can run it without the problem itself. It is a really good skill and does job really well. So I will hit send and now we wait. And here's the result. So you can see that it gave an example of how we can do our one-line positioning, how we can change our homepage hero headlines, how we can write our subheading, and top 3 customer pain points. It also made some changes over there, top 3 benefits, and the first landing page section order. It is also telling us which order we need to go with here. And it also gave us the alternative angles. Well, Claude did implemented all of the suggestions which the skill gave, and you can see it here and it looks good. But the thing is that UI is not up to mark. So that's what this new skill will help you. This has been completely made by me from scratch and I'm getting really good results and I think you will get it too. So what this skill does is it removes all of the anti-patterns which AI adds in your website, and it removes it and then it makes sure to think about it before adding it in your project. So that's what we are going to be using. So this skill is called Vibe Design Fixer. You will find it in the description below. It's completely for free. I will hit send and now it will again take this skill and do its work. Let's see what it comes up with. Well, the results are here and they look amazing. As you can see, it has done all of the anti-pattern checks and came up with this. So let's make it a bit bigger. And you can see it went with a different color. It didn't went with the purple color. It didn't add any sparkle emojis, which a lot of them do. And you can see how well it has organized these things. And then this section, and then this section, it used those colors again here, which looks nice. And then again, it changed this section and even this. And this is the pricing. This is the CTA. Your FAQs are here. And then the ending. So this skill can set you apart so easily from others with just a single prompt. On to the next one. So before we move to our next skill, I want to talk about design, copy, development. It's such a hard process to maintain. You have to work with a designer, you have to work with a copywriter, then you have to work with a developer. But we at Superfast, we completely cut that tension off. You just need to come to us, tell what you want. We will do your branding, we will do your landing page designs, we will do the development, we will do the copywriting, and we will set you apart from others. Just like that. So if you're interested, feel free to book an audit call in the meeting link down below. Back to the video. Our number 3 skill is the skill creator itself. Because so many people have so many workloads, they have such a different problems that they are working on and their work is completely unique than others. So a skill creator by Anthropic is completely there for you in this case. So what you have to do is, for example, let's say you are talking to Claude about something. I will be taking example of this session. So what you can do is you can hit skill creator and hit enter. And now you can say, please convert this into a workflow. And please ask me questions before creating it into a workflow. Then Claude will start asking you questions, matches your own use case. And once it does, it's completely there for you whenever you want to use it. For example, I have this very specific use case where I want to log all of my YouTube analytics into my Obsidian vault and doing it manually, going to each page to see the retention, the CTA, the impressions, the views, the subscriber gain from this video. That's very hard. So what I have done, I have created a skill for that. That skill, I just have to say slash YouTube analytics, and then I have to hit enter, and then it will do all of the work and then put it into Obsidian for me. I don't have to get that result. On to the next one. And fourth one is GStack by Gary Tan. So if you don't know about Gary Tan is the president and CEO of Y Combinator, and he has worked with thousands of startups, and he created this skill set. And you can see how to get started here. You just have to copy this and paste it in your Claude. And what strikes me the most is the office hours. So office hours, think of it like that you need to validate your idea before you start building it. So I don't want to spend 2 weeks on building something which is not even a good idea, right? So office hours is completely there for you in this case. So not just office hours, there's a lot of things. So you have office hours where it will ask you 6 very difficult questions that you have to answer. Then you can rethink your problem via the plan CEO review. Then you have the engineering manager, you have senior designer, developer experience lead, design partner, staff engineer. There's a lot of things. It's like a complete team made for you using Claude Skill. So what I did for the idea that I was trying to validate it is that I want to build AI noting which won't be used by humans but by AI. So it started with the office hours, and you can see it was asking me questions here that, what's your goal with this app? What's the product right now? I said it's a pre-product, it's just the idea stage. And then it asked me this question, and then this question, and then again this question. So it started asking me a lot of questions here. And then what it did is it got to Codex, which is a model by OpenAI, and then it asked that model for a second opinion so that it's not giving me the biased answers. And then it gave me this. So this was the second opinion part. And then it gave me the phase that how should I start building it. Then it approved the plan over here. So you can see this entire plan. And it also suggested some videos from YC itself. And it also created a design doc for me here. So this is just a single part and a single skill that I have used from. It has a lot of skills, and I would suggest you that you explore it as well. On to the next one. So now your copywriting is set, your design is set, your startup idea is validated. You have created more skill for your own personal use cases. And now comes the SEO part. So this is Claude SEO. This is the AI powered SEO analysis. You can do the audit. You can see the schema, the GEO, the sitemap, a lot of things. And I used this prompt to get an SEO audit of our website. And it scored us 41 out of 100, which is poor because our website is currently work in progress. Then it told us the mistakes of what we are doing and other top issues here. And what I did is I asked it to create a new UI so that I can visualize it better. And this is the UI my Claude for me. So now I have a really good way to see what's the issue. So you can see this is right, this is wrong, this is a warning, top 5 issues, image and missing all text, and internal linking, per page summary is also there. And then also created the action item that I can like start working on, and it's amazing. So folks, that's all about it in this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. These top 5 which I have used so far, I think your startup workflow can become way better than how others are using Claude. Hopefully you found some value in this video. If you do, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the like button, and I will catch you in the next one. In the meantime, take care. Bye.